Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01852 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I already logged in as a common user called c#card to the SQL plus editor. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. Here one table called times with the column called TS with the timestamp data type. Okay. Let me insert one values to this times table. So the value should be in timestamp format. Okay. So this is the value I am going to insert now. Okay, you can see that ORA-01852 seconds must be between 0 and 59. See here I have inserted invalid seconds, so I am correcting the seconds now. So now it is correct. Okay, so make sure that you have insert the correct timestamp format to avoid this ORA-01852 error.